Good afternoon. My name is Chris Allen. This is my presentation on computer-supported collaborative learning. This is a branch of collaborative learning which incorporates computers and technology to help facilitate the environment in which students can learn. Collaborative learning is a process of harnessing the collective knowledge and experience of the members of the team. An instructor and the training itself are still a part of the learning process and are used to provide guidance and structure. The team then works together through mutual aid. The instructor, as mentioned, is like a facilitator or conductor of an orchestra, and the instructor guides the group through scenarios. Instructing is necessary and setting the tempo. And then as the instructor works through the process, at the end, that same person guides the group through retrospectives to talk about what went well and what didn't within the actual presentation. Collaborative learning for the teams is the power of the learned lives of each of the different members. Skill sets can vary and be on different levels. Such skills are technical, can be project management, or even logistics. The roles can and will be decided at the beginning, but they can be changed and they can be enhanced as the learning progresses. Ultimately, the mission guides the process. Computer-supported collaborative learning is training is for high-level cognitive training, such as for leadership, project management, and can be used for supply chain management. Collaborative learning that's computer supported can be used in combination with video, chat, collaborative documents, digital whiteboards. There can be other forms of technology that can be utilized, but these are typically the main components of the computer supported collaborative learning. So what are the advantages and scenarios for computer-supported collaborative learning? Well, it can be done on a global scale so that anyone with internet access can participate within the training process. Training can happen in a large face-to-face group, and so it can be done hybridly. It can be done in that large group live using a large screen. It can be even used in large groups with computers surrounding large tables, for instance. The scale of the groups can be huge. This kind of collaborative learning can incorporate massive online communities of learners at any one time. Of course, it could scale down to small. There's also a longer scale of learning that can happen because the learners do not have to travel on a regular basis to a central learning center. It's conducive to a longer scale. So the students can meet once a week, say on a Zoom meeting, or can collaborate directly on a daily basis through technologies like Slack. And that longer scale can stretch out to a year or longer, all the while that group can build on their own learning. And it can be used to incorporate constructivism into the learning, meaning that the early members of the group can become knowledgeable enough that they themselves can become instructors, then go out and take groups themselves, start training those groups and their collaborative efforts, and then grow that learning. This is a way that you can also scale groups to be very huge, is that you continue to build on the virtuous cycle of learners becoming instructors over time because they've gained so much experience working on collaborative scenarios. So that's my presentation on computer-supported collaborative learning. Thanks.